Hey Amazon, who wants to have a cookout? This is the Weber Go Anywhere grill, and I love this thing. It's a lightweight grill that's really all in one. The legs are dual purpose because they hold the lid on when you're transporting it, and they keep the grill up off the ground or the tabletop whenever you're ready to cook. So let's take a little bit of a closer look at this grill. So one of the first features of this grill is the cooktop itself, and this thing is really easy to clean. I could take it inside, put it in the sink, and I could scrub it down and make sure I'm getting everything on there. I already showed you these fantastic legs, which double as a way to hold the top on, but these legs, when down, keep you about 6 inches from the surface that you have this sat on, so you don't really have to worry about too much heat going downwards onto the surface. There's holes in the bottom that allow for airflow, and while it might be a little bit hard to see, these holes are raised up, so any grease that's dripping to the bottom of the pan is not going to drip through these holes onto the surface that you have it on. The propane connector itself has a knob on it, so you can adjust the flame higher or lower as needed. And one of my favorite features is right down here. Has a lighter that goes along with it. And that's a real bonus because you don't have to worry about carrying a lighter with you at all times. It's already built into the grill. And one thing you want to be aware of when buying this grill is the size of the cook surface. For just me and my wife and our camping needs, this works great for us. We can cook our dinner on here, steaks, burgers, hot dogs, whatever it is, no problem. Family of 4, you could probably do about the same. Once you go beyond a family of 4, there are some other portable grills that give you a larger cook surface that you might want to consider. But otherwise, this thing is fantastic. But what you want to know is would I recommend or would I buy the Weber on the go again? Yeah, I actually love this little grill. Now, I will admit this is not going to compare to something like a Blackstone or a higher end grill. But what you get with this is the portability. Even the smallest Blackstone weighs about 5 to 6 times more than this grill. The flame level is very consistent. I like the fact that you can adjust the flames. The construction of this was very simple. It took about 10 minutes to put together. And even with the fact that this cook surface is a little bit smaller than some other grills that are portable, this is still my favorite of all the ones I've tried. So as always, Amazon, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.